Apple's folding iPhone is starting to look real now, and the latest leaks give us the clearest picture yet of what is coming. This is not a flip phone design. Apple is reportedly going with a book-style foldable that opens like a small tablet. Closed, it looks compact and pocket-friendly. Opened up, it turns into something close to an iPad mini experience. The biggest talking point right now is the thinness. Early rumors claimed this thing would be around 11mm thick when folded, and people instantly called it bulky. But newer leaks changed everything. Recent schematics now suggest the iPhone Fold Ultra could measure around 9.4 mm folded and about 4.5 mm to 4.8 mm unfolded. Some dummy units even showed measurements close to 7mm unfolded. That is insanely thin for a foldable phone. This leaked folded thickness is only slightly thicker than current Pro Max iPhones. That is a huge deal because most foldables still feel thick and awkward in the pocket. Apple clearly wants this device to feel premium and slim instead of heavy and clunky. The display sizes are also becoming more consistent across leaks. Reports suggest a 5.3-inch to 5.5-inch outer display and a massive 7.7-inch to 7.8-inch inner display once unfolded. That means Apple is basically building two devices into one. A normal iPhone when closed and a mini tablet when opened. And unlike many Android foldables that feel tall and narrow, Apple's version looks shorter and wider. That should make typing, holding, and everyday use feel more natural. The hinge is another major leak. Apple is reportedly using a liquid metal hinge combined with ultra-thin glass to reduce the crease in the middle of the display. Some reports claim the crease depth is under 0.15 mm with a fold angle below 2.5 degrees. In simple words, the crease could become nearly invisible compared to current foldables. And honestly, that is where Apple could win big. Most foldables still have obvious creases, weak hinges, or durability concerns. Apple spent years delaying this product because they did not want those problems attached to the iPhone name. Now leaks suggest the company focused heavily on durability, repairability, and cleaner engineering inside the phone. But there are still some strange details. Some dummy models show cameras placed in the corners instead of the center. Others suggest Apple could remove Face ID completely and bring back Touch ID through a side-mounted power button to save space inside the ultra-thin body. Leaks also mention dual rear cameras, under-display camera technology, a huge camera bump, an A20 chip, and even a possible 5,500 mAh to 6,000 mAh battery. The funniest part is watching foldables suddenly become exciting now that Apple is joining the market. For years, people called folding phones expensive gimmicks. But if Apple delivers a thin design, almost invisible crease, and polished software experience, the entire foldable market could shift overnight. Right now, most leaks point toward a late 2026 launch alongside the Apple iPhone 18 Pro Max lineup. The expected price sits somewhere between $2,000 and $2,500 depending on storage. So yes, this could become the thinnest, most premium, and most expensive iPhone Apple has ever made. Anyway, that is the latest look at the iPhone Fold Ultra. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.